Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Gmail. We click on settings, here like this. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to restart your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.